In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with loans in Xero. Whether you're taking on a small business loan or managing existing debt, it's crucial to handle these financial obligations correctly within your accounting software. Xero makes it relatively straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process to ensure everything is set up just right. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Xero, which is the foundation of our tutorial today. Once you've logged in, your next step is to navigate to the Accounting section. You can find this option in the main menu at the top of your screen. Click on the Accounting button, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this list of options, select Chart of Accounts. This is a vital section of Xero, as it houses all your financial account types and categories, including the one we'll be focusing on today: loans. After you're in the Chart of Accounts, your task is to add a new account for your loan. Look for the Add Account button, usually placed conveniently for easy access. Click on this, and you'll begin the process of setting up your loan account. When prompted to choose an account type, you'll select Liability. It's essential to categorize your loan correctly as a liability, as loans represent money your business owes, not assets. Once you've designated the account type, add a name that makes the account easily identifiable. This might be the name of the lender or the purpose of the loan, such as Company Car Loan or Business Expansion Loan. Along with the name, you'll need a description and a code. The description should provide a bit of detail about what the account entails, helping you recognize it at a glance in the future. The code is a unique identifier within Xero. Be sure to choose something logical and easy to remember, perhaps a number sequence or an abbreviation linked to the loan type. After filling in these details, it's crucial to save your new account. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure all your information is securely recorded in Xero. By this point, your loan account will now be visible and manageable within the Chart of Accounts. This setup will allow you to easily track the loan's balance, monitor payments, and manage interest, making your financial reporting more accurate and comprehensive. This setup not only provides clarity, but also offers peace of mind. It ensures that your loans are accounted for correctly, allowing for more accurate financial statements and aiding in effective financial planning. Keep in mind that regular reviews and updates are key to maintaining neat financial records. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found it helpful and it makes managing your loans in Xero a seamless experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on using Xero to its fullest potential.